Hi, this is Sudha MC. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing about the riddles on birds.
Hi, shall we read the text? Noisy birds. The king of the country was very much annoyed. Many crows perched on the windows, walls, and roof of the palace, and even on the trees nearby. No one knew how to get rid of them. Ivan went to the palace. Your Majesty, I'll get rid of the crows, Ivan said. If you can do that, you can marry my daughter, the king said. Ivan asked the servants to open the windows. He listened to the crows for a while. Then he went to the king again. So, do you see many crows here in the picture? What did the crows say to Ivan? Can you guess? Hi, shall I continue? Homeless birds. Ivan bowed before the king and said, "Oh Lord, the crows are homeless because your men are cutting down the trees they are living on." So, what did the crows say to Ivan? What did they say to Ivan? Yes, they said their problem. Ivan could understand the birds' language. So, what was their problem? Yes, they were homeless because the king's men are cutting down the trees. They want your men to stop doing it, Ivan continued. The king ordered his men to stop cutting the trees. So what did the king do? He ordered the men, the guards, to stop cutting the trees. The crows flew away one after another and disappeared. When the king ordered, the crows started going. They disappeared. Nobody could see them. They vanished. The king got the princess married to Ivan. Thus, Ivan became the king. He ruled the kingdom wisely. And who was there to help him? Yes, the birds. Birds always warned him about storms and disasters. And Ivan took immediate actions to save his people. Birds always predict. Yes, we learned the word at first. Birds always predicted what is to happen. So Ivan took measures to stop the disasters, the accidents, and the people loved him very much. They said, "Long live King Ivan." People praised his wisdom.